Come on, let us be Doom people for once, bro. Let's see. I'm gonna say we are going to be Avengers again. I just have a feeling.
I know. I know.
I just have a feeling. It's a premonition.
That what?
You'd rather get chased by everyone in pubs trying to kill you with a pickaxe than play Doctor. Actually, being chased by like 50 people trying to kill you with a pickaxe would actually be kind of funny.
Yay!
No, we're henchmen. Oh my god. Okay, we have to win. I swear, if we lose. Come on, clutch
Yeah,
up.
we need to win this one because this is Anxiety's last one.
Hopefully, titled Star clutches up and doesn't lose a bunch of lives.
Okay, so I'm gonna concentrate. I'm gonna see if I can do all of them in one match.
Shouldn't be too crazy. I should just basically just kill people. Where's the artifact? Oh, it's way over there. Oh, it's actually close to me. 2 artifacts. Oh, let's go. When it starts out with 2 artifacts, we're so much. We have such a better team. Unless it's all the way on the other side of the map, like what the frick.
I need people.
All of them are on the artifact.
Where's the people?
Our Day of Doom is just not. It's too sweaty.
Well, the problem is that it's builds too. So
Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Builds makes this so much harder.
yeah, because like we aren't build people. I mean, like we're not sweat build people, and it's not even like builds because you build, and then one
and
shot of doom.
Yeah, even if you are a build sweat, they just immediately destroy your builds if you try to do it.
So what? There's like not a good strat other than like if you had a bunch of people that were organized trying to play.
Right. Oh my gosh, there's 5 of them camped on the stupid
I need to throw a shockwave at them.
There's so many people camped on the thing at the Nitrodome. I think every single Avengers player is there.
That's funny. Yeah, I want to do some more customs, but I'm maybe working on a tournament that I'm gonna do. Ow. That was my head. I was worried.
Yeah, there's literally so many of them.
They all have
it's
jetpacks.
3 of them at least. Yeah. Why? Dang it, I freaking whited you, bro. Just die already.
Thing? Wait, what? Custom tournament settings game thing? What's that?
Why does this dude have so much health?
I don't even know what that is.
Fine. Done. They're leaving.
What?
Oh, this dude is such a sweat. Where the heck? Oh, we got it? Let's go.
Yeah, I don't know.
Or no, it disappeared. Dang
There's
it.
a jetpack person over here somewhere.
Yeah, there's 2 dudes with jetpacks and both of them are actually in
Kill that one. One more. Whoops.
Some of these guys have physically not known the touch of grass. Like grass is just a foreign object. I don't even know what the word is.
Oh no.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we'll have to look at that.
Yeah, let's go. 10 people.
Yay, Devon got a thing. Oh my gosh, there's 3 artifacts on the map right now.
Freaking killing me, bro. Take my freaking shockwave.
Yeah, there's another one by
Dang
now.
it. What about Devondre? What'd she do?
She got a... Either she got a artifact or someone around her did.
Oh, titled, camping in a tree.
Hasn't taken any damage, or hasn't
He's
lost any
literally
lives yet.
camped in a tree right there. That's so funny.
Oh, we got another artifact.
I just helped killed everybody that was around the artifact. I didn't
This
actually-
is
Oh my
freaking
gosh.
Nitro. I haven't had an artifact like this close to freaking Nitro. This is crazy.
Yeah, and the guys over there, there's like 10 of them. I think literally every single Avengers character is over there. I'm going to the one I marked with the yellow marker. I'm going all the way over there.
I'm working on my shot.
Because if everyone's being stupid by the Nitrodome, then that means there's no one over here.
I'm just trying to work on the
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Dang it.
3, 2, 1. Dang it, I didn't get him.
Bro, let me claim this stupid thing.
Got an ad. Oh, sorry.
Dang it. Dang it, we almost got that one at the over there, but then they got to it.
Oh.
Are you
I'm
doomed?
doomed.
Oh, what a squad.
Freaking hacker. Oh, I mean, congratulations.
You're just jelly.
Wait, what? This artifact? Oh. Okay, we only need 2 more. Oh my gosh, it's that stupid one by Nitrodome. Where every single person and their entire family lineage is over here, bro. Their entire genealogy.
Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I turned the ads down a little bit like a week ago.
Oh, what? No, Devon, you already died? Oh my gosh, you landed right here. I'm claiming this so
Didn't
hard.
he die?
5, 4, 3. No, I almost freaking out of it. If it weren't for those meddling, sorry, Scooby-Doo reference.
16.
Okay. So we're not gonna do this thing where you just hit me with the stupid freaking
Oh, I'm
claws?
doomed. I was literally throwing the shockwave. Alright, what do you want me to do?
Come over here and claim this thing. If you can. I mean, just shoot it. Actually, just kill them. Just kill them. Either claim one or kill one. Or kill some people. Because these guys, we literally need 2 more artifacts. Just gotta click it again. Hopefully you can survive for 5 seconds. 2, 1, yeah, see, 3 artifacts. Okay, so...
Okay. I got 4 more people I gotta hit with shockwaves.
Yeah, we just got the stupid artifact. This is the last artifact. And then we just got killed. And we still have 25 lives. Like, if we can get this last artifact, then we're guaranteed to win. Because we'll have doubled their lives. But these stupid Avenger dudes.
Oh no, you didn't just turn into Doom. I freaking watched her. I think she's AFK.
It's mine. Get over it.
I literally was about to shoot you.
Devon, claim the
What am I claiming?
claim the artifact.
Yeah,
Claim the artifact.
we'll try to protect you.
I'm trying.
Just go. It's okay if you die. You just need to try to claim it because you have extra health. Bro.
Okay, Doom, fall back down.
Claim. 3, 2.
3, 2.
No!
Oh,
Someone
no.
keeps freaking shockwaving us. Someone shockwaved me 3 times as I was
That's
playing.
crazy.
Respawn is off.
It's in.
Who would be shocked with?
Andy, we're trying to actually win.
Okay.
So Devon, just
Now
stay
I'll-
alive.
I told you I was trying to do my quest. I told you that. Come over and why? Do you have a bunch of health?
I'm dead.
Well, play his ticket.
Where's the controller?
No, I'm about to die.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I
too.
got XP.
So we're all dead.
We all died. I just had a hammer and I lost it.
So it's a 2v infinite.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm doomed.
Doom, it's
you got it. So what do you
You
have
can
to
take
do?
him out.
When?
You, but you just have to claim.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you got it.
Well,
don't
not
have
if there's 12
shockwaves.
people.
Clean him out real quick.
No, see, I'm just gonna die.
No. There's
can't
too
do
many
it.
of them right
Yeah,
there.
there's too many people up.
I don't know what that is. If you can hear it, I don't know what it is.
I mean,
I
if
think
Gibber,
it's my gun.
if Gibber's asleep, yeah, I don't know what that.
Swatting some flies.